straight ahead there, like right up there, is a cardinal on that little tree. There it flew away. There were two of them. Let's see if we can see them again. On my way to work, wanted to do some little hike. There's a cardinal flying around. It's on the log up there, just ahead. There's like two piles of logs. This one and then there's another one. And the cardinal is hanging out on the one. There it goes. Okay. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's almost like I'm chasing it. There's another bird. Oh, is that a... No. Now I lost the cardinal. I don't know where it went. Darn. It was very pretty though. Oh, there it goes. Over there. It's a very small little trail at a park. This path is only like a mile long. I wonder if that's a blue jay over there. Like right straight over there on a limb is a bird. I'm not sure if that's a blue jay or not. The best part about being out in nature is when you get to see like the birds and the squirrels, and if you get lucky and you see some bunnies and deer. I love that. So far today, just birds. There's one flying there. We had thunderstorms last night, so it's a little bit wet. Ooh, this section of the trail looks a bit flooded. Just a bit flooded. And this section's wet too. Sheesh. Oh goodness. I think I'll go this way. I don't want to get muddy, so I gotta go to work. Such a beautiful day. I almost hate to go to work and be stuck inside for 8 hours. Definitely would rather be out here hiking than inside working. We're almost to the end of this little trail. Oh no, I think it's a bee. Okay, it left me alone. Not a lot of water down there in that. Something touched me. Oh my god. Hopefully it wasn't a bee. I don't usually freak out, but kind of terrified of getting stung again. Oh, there's a red-winged blackbird on that branch right there. We used to watch them do bird banding, and when they would catch the birds, they would let you hold them, and that's the only bird I remember. And when we did the bird banding, it's the red-winged blackbird. I did get bit by a catbird that they caught and they let me hold. I can't remember what that looks like. There's the little bridge to the back. There's some pretty yellow flowers starting to grow right there. And there's the water down the hill. So here's a fishing pond. It's kind of cool with that thing over there. I don't know what you call that. Windmill type deal thing or something. Don't know. That's spinning around. Never see people out here fishing though. It's kind of nice. They got little benches up there. Whoa. You strapped a button on my screen and you can adjust like the coloring or something. Never knew that before. Kind of cool. So this is the bridge that goes back to the parking lot. But quick. Oh, I'm gonna trip and fall into the water. That'd be great. Kind of pretty.